Hey, did you know that plants can get sunburned just like people can? They can. So let's talk about that for a second. So, if you start your plants indoors in artificial light, like a LED light or a shop light, whatever it is that you're using, they get used to that type of wavelength of light. And then when you bring them outside to plant them, the sun's powerful rays come down and the leaves can get sunburned or sun scald. And also, you might see this even on your tomatoes during the real hot summer. So it can happen even if you don't have artificial, or even if they didn't start with artificial light, it can happen when it's really hot and there's not enough protection for your plants. So to give you a quick look at what it looks like, hopefully this comes up on the camera okay, but the leaves get a little kind of like a gray, white, tan, beige, I don't know, it can vary depending on the plant. This is a pepper plant, and I had taken this outside on a nice sunny day, which we haven't had many of those this spring, but I wanted to get my plants some real sun. And it was like maybe 70 degrees outside, and I just set them out on the sidewalk outside the back of the house for about 3 or 4 hours, and that was a little too much for some of these guys. So a couple of the leaves have this whitish beige color going on where they got sunburn. Now unfortunately that will always be there. Sometimes it can even cover the whole leaf, and in that case generally I would just pinch off the leaf after a while. This one I think I'll leave because most of the leaf is pretty healthy, but the way that the plant recovers is it just generates new leaves. Now if the plant's too small and it gets hit with a lot of sun and gets sun scalded really bad or sunburnt really bad, your plant may die and may not recover. So to avoid this, what you want to do is basically harden your plants off, which takes a period of 1 to 2 weeks. And that's just, you want to put them outside for maybe just an hour the first day. Second day, maybe like an hour and a half. And you kind of build up, over each day time that they are out in the sun and can start getting used to regular sunlight instead of the artificial light that you have in the house. And then after a week or two, then you can plant outside. So generally you would start doing this, within the last 2 weeks, right before you're getting ready to take your plants from indoors to outdoors. So just a little quick tip for you. And, keep an eye on your plants. You got to treat them nice. So hope that was helpful. Hope I'm on camera. Can't tell on these old GoPros. I'll have to find out afterwards. So have a good day. Namaste.